Okay, then hit it again, it'll say record.
Okay, you got record. Here we go.
Okay.
So, listen to this, eh? Christmas lure made last night by Tim. Believe it or not, we were taking pictures earlier. And look at this friggin' dog that's coming out of this water here right now. Yeah. Oh, let's see that. Yeah, I'll help you out with this. There's the line, get closer to you. There you go. And we're fighting it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at him. He likes Christmas ornaments, this guy. Yes, he's a fair size.
Oh, baby.
Look at him, you know. Can't see him very well. But, oh, look at him. I kind of lost him for a second. Okay, let's keep bringing him back. There you go. Yeah, oh, you got him by the bobber. There we go. Look at that, ladies and gents.
Hey,
Look
that's
at
right.
this.
Look at that. Look
Look at that. Isn't that something
Right.
else? Yes, that is one
Yeah,
beautiful
baby.
fish. Now, what would you call that? 1, 2, 3. That's a pike. 1, 2, 3,
No.
4, 5. Yeah, he's 6 holes, 7 holes.
Yeah.
7 holes. Look at that. Isn't he ever beautiful? Now you gotta go.
Oh, his color's great.
Yeah, you gotta stay that way. There we go. Oh no, you gotta go that way. Sorry. Sorry about that. There we go.
Hey.
There we go. Now I can.
Hey.
Look at that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
2 thumbs up. Beautiful. Right on. This is a Christmas lure, right?
Let's put him back in the water.
Okay.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Look at that.
Come on over.
All right. Here we go. Here's the line. It's all done. You're all free to go. Look at this baby go. Yes, he's a nice little guy. Look at him go. Who says it's too late in the season?
Go, baby,
oh,
go.
Yeah, he's good. He's good
There
to
he
go.
is.
He's
There he
on
is.
his-
Boom, he's gone.
There you go.
And we got him.
Yeah.
We got him in 20 feet of water.
There you go. All right. 20 feet of water, eh? Christmas lure.
Down 10 feet with the Christmas lure.
And,
See?
okay, now shut it off.
Oh, wait.
Whoop.
Brought to you by Christmas lure. Freshly made last night. Look at that. Cool, eh?
Yes.
Yours too for $75. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Now just shut it off.
Yeah.